Hello, I'm going to demonstrate today how to tighten up the roller arm style on the Aeron chair. Now this would happen if your arm is a little bit loose when you have it fully tightened like I have here. So the first step is to remove the back. I'm going to use the bit that came with the package of the chair. I believe it's a 5mm bit. I'm going to go ahead and quickly remove all 4 bolts. Go ahead and place the back off to the side. Alrighty, the screw I'm looking for is going to be right here. And as you can see with the roller arm, rolling up this way will tighten the arm, so I have it all the way up. Super tight, still a little loose. So that's what we're going to be fixing here today. And the bit I'm going to need for that is a T27. Just going to throw that onto my impact drill. Alright, so what we want to do here is loosen up the arm roller here, the roller arm, or roller wheel I guess you'd call it, until you can feel it moving freely. Okay, then once we have that there, we're going to take our bit and our drill, find a good spot into the screw without stripping it. And as you can see, if I do a little motion, it's going to move the wheel. I want to hold that wheel into place while I torque on the drill. So we're just going to give it a steady hold with my left hand and just give it like a quarter, half turn with the drill. So I've already gone and tightened it a little bit. I just want to test it to make sure that it's solid and it's tight. So I'm going to put my drill down and go ahead and get back to the wheel itself and follow the diagram here. And I'm going to tighten it, so I'm going to roll it up. Alrighty, I've got it nice and tight there, so I'm going to try and wiggle it back and forth to see if I've tightened it a little bit. And as you can see, that is nice and tight. If you need to tighten it more, just go ahead and do the same thing. Hold the wheel with your left hand and use your drill T27 to tighten it slowly, half turn, quarter turn at a time until you feel it nice and tight. Go ahead and check it again. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen it now by rolling it down. The arrow will loosen the wheel. All right, now I'm going to test it again in the middle part of the arm. Got that nice and tight. And I've got no wiggle whatsoever there. So all you need to do is really take the T27, put it into this screw right here, hold the wheel with your left hand, and turn the screw while holding this wheel, and that's how you tighten up the arm. So after that, just go ahead and throw your back on, and should be all set. All right, just gonna throw these screws back in. Put them in with my hand really quick. Just get them started. Then I'll switch back over to my 5mm bit that came with the chair and go ahead and torque those down. You want them nice and snug, just when you start to feel some resistance, good enough. And the last one's the most difficult, and we're all set.